hi, it's like raining and stuff and we're at school, so, you know, we're kind of like all over the place right now. And
I know, and there's like nobody here at school. Like everybody's all packed up in here. It's messed up.
I know, it's all like jacked up because like we have to be on rainy day schedule. Well,
God, I hate rainy day schedule.
I know, for real. I know, for sure. Want to go walk around and meet people?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Come on. No.
Well, do you know any of these people over here?
I know that person right there.
Yeah, let's find her.
Too many damn people. Pay attention. Okay, sorry. Packed with people.
Oh, come on.
You gotta be fucking kidding me. London. This area.
Is everybody back there?
No. Oh my god.
Stupid. Well, you want to go back there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Oh, God. We're taking a video. See? Stop! I love you.
I need to talk to you.
Okay, wait, hold on. Say hi, you guys say hi. That's Cheyenne, that's Rosie, that's Emily, that's Paige, and that's my bestie Gabby.
And I'm Gigi.
This is Gigi.
That's my camera.
And this is who's recording. Then you guys suck balls.
Yeah, you know, we need to talk about shit.
Bitches.
Yeah.
Y'all like making me play.
I'm bored.
And over there is Anissa and Corey. Yeah.
Oh, Briona's best friend. Let's go get Patrick on film. That's gonna be funny.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, where's that? Go get him, go get him, go get him.
I'll go with you. Come on.
Like around 5? What are you doing? I'm watching this one. I'll be right back. This is way boring right now, and I don't understand why I'm here.
Oh my god. I know. What's up,
Patrick! Patrick! And Raymond. And what's his face and all them. We're recording, you guys. So awesome. No hug, no hi, no what's up, no what up.